4 minus 3x over 5 all to the power 5. Let's have a go at this then with the binomial theorem. So this is the first term, is a. The second term is minus 3x over 5. So there's more than just a single object here, so we'll need to put a bracket around that. And the n value is 5. Here's the answer then, so it's a, the first term, to the power n, which in our case is 5, so it's the first term, the 5. Then we've got plus nc1, which is 5c1. A, the first term, to the power 1 less than n, which is 4. Then the second term, put a little bracket around it because it's more than a single entry. It's minus 3x over 5, so to speak. And that would then be to the power 1, wouldn't it, here? Now we just carry on that same continuation, so it's 5c2 would be next. It would be the 4 diminishes in power to one less than what was before, so that's now a 3. The second term increases in powers, doesn't it? So let's put that down, and that's squared. Then we've got 5c3. 4 diminishes, and the second term increases to a cube. Then we've got 5c4. Again, the power of 4 diminishes, and the second term increases in power to a 4. And then the last term here is just the second term, the minus 3x over 5, to the power n, which is 5. So there's our those are our terms then. So just tap them in the calculator now. 4 to the power 5, so 4 to the power 5. 1024. The next one, we've got 5c1. So 5c1 times 4 to the power 4, ground level, times bracket negative 3 divided by 5 to the power 1, wasn't it? Because we started off with power 1. We haven't included an x, of course, in the calculator, because we just want the numerical part of the answer, minus 768. And of course there's an x in that term, isn't there? Next one. So now we just toggle back. These powers increment to 2, and this is the 5c2 term. This will decrease to 3, power 3, and this will be 5c2. 1152 over 5 plus. And that's x squared, isn't it, here? And then the 5c3 term. Let's move our calculator to the side so we can see it clearly. So we just go back, increment the second term to a power 3, decrease the power 3 on the 4 term to a power 2, and this is 5c3, isn't it? Minus 864 over 25. And this was x cubed. And then the next term. So this would be 5c4 term, so this would be power 4, the second term. Just toggle back then. The 4 power diminishes by another 1, 2, 1. And then we've got the 5c4, haven't we? 324 over 125. And that was x to the 4. And then the last term is x to the 5. It's just minus 3/5 to the power 5, so it's going to be a minus 3 over 5 to the 5 times x to the 5. So we've got 3 over 5 to the power 5 we need to put into our calculator. So what we can do is we can just change that 4 to a 5 and then just delete all the other stuff here for the bracket. That's it, minus 3/5 to the 5th. I've left the minus in there, which I've already taken care of. 243 over 3125. 243 over 3125.